So many of the companies that I work for have B2B customers and B2C customers. And the good thing about this is not about kind of having one size fits all. It's about layering your content. It's about having a structure of how your content is delivered. If you think about how your every bit of messaging is almost like a little funnel, I think that's the best way to kind of describe how you make your content. Whether it's a video, whether it's a sales page, whether it's a piece of copy, etc. If you think of it as a funnel, as a strategy at the top, middle and bottom, then it makes it easier for you to write your messaging or create your video content to hit both of those markets. So what we do is we start with emotion. At the top of your page or the top of your content, you start with that emotional impact. You want it to be clear and concise. You want it to describe freedom, confidence, simplicity, belonging, and maybe power and status. This is your kind of hero message. This brand gets me. That's what you want. That's what you want to have there. You want someone to understand that, yes, okay, we're connected. Next, use the middle of your content to introduce clarity, rational thinking, clear product explanation, feature breakdowns, how it works, workflow visuals and demos, right? To show how it works. Now, right at the end, we want to really bring it home with proof. Results, ROI, testimonials, case studies, past clients. This is where you let your data, your credibility, the social proof speak. Because emotions are at the start. It's what gets the clicks. But the logic, in this case, closes the deal. So if you're trying to sell to both customers and companies, don't dilute the brand. You sequence the messaging. You structure the content, the videos, the web pages, so that you respect the buyer's journey. Because at the end of the day, whether you're selling to a person or a team, they don't just want a product or a service. They want to feel a little smarter, safer, prouder of the choices that they've made. For more resources, go to the link in the description or head over to Coooys.co.uk. And if this helped, hit subscribe for more psychology-backed brand content built for creators, founders, and people that want to build brands and content that matters.